So we're gonna go over here and see what Lisa's doing. What? What? Come on. You know you've seen a dog talk before? Well, if you don't know us, we're Camp More, Bark Less. And today is Halloween. Happy Halloween. We get asked a lot about how our trip's going, our RV trip across the US. Well, take a look. Okay, we got another bird coming into the canyon. I can't even begin to tell you how loud that is.
Can I help you with
Two leashes, not wishes, just two leashes. Grab the dogs,
They
put
don't
them in
need
the truck.
leashes.
No,
Yes.
they don't. They don't.
Aw.
Tara's soaking it up.
Yes.
No, we're enjoying the dogs. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
We're enjoying the dogs, and then
Okay.
look, I'm enjoying the chair. You see this? And the dog?
It's all very
And this is how I would drive, and I can only imagine the comments, right? I'd be petting a dog and driving like this. Trish.
Trish, take your
Trish.
hand off for a second.
We're here with Todd from Two Beards and a Babe. Hi. So, and there's his Airstream. You got your hands full.
I do.
So, just in case you were wondering, there's one beard, and that's the other beard. Yep, so all of that happened. Stay tuned. If you're already subscribed, thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. And if you hit the bell icon, you'll get a notification when we release our videos.
If you like us, give us a thumbs up.
There you go. We will be releasing our videos of the trip across the US sometime next month. You keep looking at me funny.
No, I know. Let me rub your ears.